Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing for you some keto cornbread. So keep watching. Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing some keto cornbread. So let's get started. I have a half a cup of flaxseed, 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of oat fiber, that was 1/4 cup of flax seeds, not a cup, half a cup. It was 1/4 cup. 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And I already added 1. Just kind of ran out of some. So 2 teaspoons of baking powder. A half a stick of butter. I'm going to add 2 eggs. One tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We're going to add a half a cup of sour cream. And 3 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And I'm gonna see, I think I'm gonna need more, but let me just mix this up really well. I want this to be more like a cornbread mixture. So looking pretty good. When I make my cornbread, I always use my cast iron skillet with some hot oil on the bottom of it, and so that's what I'm going to do with this bread here. Do it the same way. That was the fourth. I'm going to go ahead and add another. I like the sour cream because it really makes it taste like cornbread. So I added a half a cup of sour cream. I think I'm going to go ahead and add about another fourth of sour cream in there. So that's going to be 3/4 cups of sour cream. And I'm going to add another 4th cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay. And that should do it. Now let me prepare my skillet for this bread. I've added some coconut oil to the skillet. Heat up, so I pour my keto cornbread in here. Let me get my spatula so I can get everything out of this bowl. It smells good. Mess here, but there's my bread. I'm going to heat it up a little bit more before I stick it in the oven. I'm going to bake it on 350 degrees. Shouldn't take 35 minutes or less. So I will give you the exact time later. Okay, I'm gonna take it off the oil. Here's my cornbread, and it smells delicious. Oh, and I am so happy that I can make keto dressing this year along with the regular cornbread dressing. So I'm doing both. So here it is. It looks good, smells good. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share, because I'm gonna have many, many more different types of recipe, even vegan recipe. So let's enjoy this day. Thank you for watching.